Hello, YouTube. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm planning on getting a better mic for this thing because I noticed the volume's a little bit low. Anyway, on tonight's menu, oh, it's nighttime all the time when I record these. So, anyway, I have a little welding to do. My father-in-law has a project for me, and so I'm going to try to complete it this evening. It's not a very big project. He's building something, and he wants these things welded to the end of this. It's kind of like little hats on a set of rebar. So yeah, it's basically I'm welding washers on a piece of rebar. Shouldn't be that bad. I'm just gonna tack weld them on. I'm gonna leave a little bit of space on here so when he pounds them into the ground, they don't just smash the what do you call it, the washer off. So that's the plan anyway. I got about 20 washers. I'm gonna set up my welder, and first I'll just tack weld them all on straight. Put one tack weld, make sure they're all straight and center, and then I'll just go ahead and zip them all real good. So I think he's holding. It's for basically it's he drilled some holes in some logs to put it through just to stabilize them down the ground. I can't tell you what it's for, but that's what he's doing, and he asked me to weld it, so I'm always excited to weld. I get more practice. The more you weld, the more you practice. Or no wait, the more you practice, the more you weld. Anyway, I'll add this. I'll try to splice this video with some actual welding footage, so hopefully I can get some I don't know video editing time, or I don't know how to. I don't even know how to splice them together. I'll figure it out. Thanks. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and this will probably be on the end of an. Anyway, I better turn this off before I stop babbling. All right, YouTube. I don't know if you can hear me, but basically what I'm doing is welding flat discs. I can see that, but I'm welding washers to the end of rebar. So what I'm doing is taking the rebar, going like this, putting this up here, like this, putting a washer on top, getting it level, about as level as I can get, and I'm using my ground clamp as a rest for it, because it's not going to be perfect. And then when I'm done, I just give it a little swirl on it. Just to hold it. And then I'll turn it around and I'll weld the other side. And ta-da! I just welded a washer. I have 18 more of these to go. I'll weld a few of them and you could decide what the hell you want. I'm not an expert welder. I'm just tack welding for now. I'm going to stitch weld them after. But pretty much that's what I'm doing. Just going like this and then put them right here for now. This one, like this, and then this one go like so. Use my ground clamp, hold it right where I want it. There we go. Kind of get it flat. It ain't perfect. Let's see. This. Oh, that sucks. A big gelatinous blob. I don't know where my tips give me trouble. That one, take that off there. This off here. We'll do another one. This side's the flat side. That's right. Like this. Like this. Oh, that's not gonna work. This side. This right here. should just hold the damn thing like this. It's easier if I use the bottom to hold it. Anyway, you get the idea. I think I need to move my light over here too. More lighting is a little better. That should be, I'm welding at night, so can't expect much. Can't set up spotlights right now. This, this, this. Just to hold it on for now. After, I'll just stand them all up and hold them one after another. But for now, I could do it like this for you too. Just put it like that. Of course, the goddamn stick weld is going to cover my foot. My leg. Ta-da! That one's done. Anyway, you could probably picture that 20 times. That's good enough for me. So, hope you enjoyed this sad video.